Hello everyone and welcome, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix app issue history on Samsung. Let's get started. Now what is app issue history? App issue history on Samsung refers to a record of problems or errors encountered while using apps on a Samsung device. This can include crashing or freezing, error messages, performance issues, compatibility problems. So if this happens, what do? You can track these app issues using Samsung built-in tool. You see, some Samsung devices have built-in tools for tracking app issues such as device maintenance or battery section in the settings. You can also use third-party apps like Logcat or Device Monitor to help you track app issues and provide detailed logs. How do you resolve these app issues? One, by troubleshooting. By troubleshooting, we mean like restarting the app, clearing cache and data, uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Also, checking for app updates and downloading the newer versions. Ensure your Samsung device is running the latest software version too. And if you do all this, it will help you to better troubleshoot and resolve problems on your Samsung device. Thanks for watching.